Welcome back to the series 101 Reasons to Forgive. This is day 46, and we are happy that you have remained with us. We are prepared to share with you the 46th reason on the importance of forgiveness. Remember, we are seeking to answer the question, why is forgiveness important? And providing you with 101 reasons to forgive. Reason 46 is forgiveness is the alarm clock that awakens us to the new season of our life. Forgiveness is the alarm clock that awakens us to the new season of our life. Many of us do not like the sound of an alarm clock waking us up. Many of us, once the alarm goes off, we would try to quiet it down. At least we try to stop it, if not get it off the wall, simply because we would prefer to continue sleeping, prefer to continue with whatever we are doing. We do not like the disturbance that comes with an alarm clock. Well, forgiveness, the need for forgiveness alerts us that something went wrong, that something is wrong, that something has changed, that something is changing, something is about to get different, is about to be different, and that we need to be aware. Even with the awareness, we can sometimes misrepresent the situation because of our interpretation that we have time to sleep some more, to rest some more. We may try to negotiate our way out of the appointment, out of the situation. We may try to rationalize why we don't have to be up at that time. We can find explanations to all and so many things. Forgiveness alerts us that something has changed in our lives. Misrepresentation of what that reality is, trying to negotiate that reality, denying the existence of that reality will not change that reality. Forgiveness alerts us it's about time to enter that new season. That season may not be one that we are adequately prepared for. That season may not be one that we have the skill set for. We may not have the support system for, but the alarm has gone off. Forgiveness points us to the new season where the change was happening. Forgiveness also points us to the season when we must better prepare for the things that we want. Forgiveness introduces us to the season when we must get active, get busy, get involved. Forgiveness alerts us to the time when others are expecting us to be different. Forgiveness alerts us to the misrepresentations, to the misconceptions that we had about ourselves and about others. And forgiveness introduces us to a time that we cannot erase. Understand that the application of forgiveness comes after an experience we did not anticipate or that we did not plan for. Nonetheless, we cannot avoid, we are not immune to the challenges that will require forgiveness. Affirm with me today that despite the feeling of inadequacy, the anxiousness, the fear, the desperation, the false negotiations, and the feelings of despair that may accompany the sound, the loudness of the alarm clock, that we will positively approach the next season of our lives, knowing that our meaningful contribution is important to this world. Thank you, and I will see you again on day 47. Remember to not just view, but to subscribe, and please share our videos. See you on day 47.